Alright, I got a 5.5-inch muzzle brake for an AR. We put it on the 9mm. We're going to see what happens. Polymer P80 frame. See if it does anything or nothing. Makes the barrel too heavy. Doesn't kick it back. There, it tried to come up. That's it. 15 rounds. It's just a muzzle brake I got from wish.com. Just thought I would try it on the handgun, see what would happen. I don't have the crush washer or nothing on it. So it doesn't kick back the slide. It's probably just too much weight. Not enough power going through it or something, but I don't know. I didn't really notice too much of a difference other than all the gas went out the vents, or the holes. So yeah, that's it.